Hey, this is your girl Terry, and this is a Dutch oven recipe alert that you are going to absolutely love. This is my new Dutch oven that I got on Amazon about 3 weeks ago, and I cannot stop using. It is amazing. Today, I am making a creamy Italian sausage and kale soup, and this recipe literally takes me about 30 minutes to finish, and it tastes like I was in the kitchen for about 5 hours. I'm browning 1 pack of Italian sausage in the bottom of my Dutch oven, which is really easy to clean, by the way. I'm adding 2 pounds of diced potatoes, 6 cups of chicken stock, and a half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. And then I am going to bring the potatoes to a boil. Now, this next step in the recipe I thought was super interesting, and I was thinking, okay, why am I doing this? But once I tasted the soup, I knew exactly why it called for this one step. So I'm going to take about half of the potatoes out of the soup, and then I'm going to mash these potatoes, and then I'm going to add the mashed potatoes back into the soup. Then I'm adding 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and 3 cups of kale. And if you're trying to get more veggies in your diet, which is never a bad idea, you can throw in another cup or 2 of kale. No worries at all. So I'm going to stir this around and bring this to a boil. And that kale is turning bright green and just looking really, really yummy right now. Then I'm going to add some black pepper, which I think is the secret sauce to the soup, a little bit of salt. Stir this around and boil it for another 3 to 5 minutes. And this was some good soup. Now, I'm an empty nester, so I ate this soup for about 2 or 3 days. And let me tell you, it's this Dutch oven that makes this soup and other dishes so great. You got to get it. Find it on Amazon. The link is below. Bon appetit.